Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie and I've got something from Vault Tech here, quite heavy too. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below, ring that bell to get notified of any upcoming videos, and let's get started. And subscribing's free, so I hope you hit that button. Help me get to 1,000 subs, please. Okay, let's open this baby up and see what we got. I like the Vault Tech tape on here. There we go. Okay. Oh, let's see. Okay, here's nothing in there, just a cover. It pulls it out. Okay, it's free of that box, but what's in the bottom? There's another. Alright, so here we go. Upside down. Pip-Boy 3000 MK5. MK10. No, that's 5. Oh, this is so heavy. Alright, let's open this baby up. Okay. That's one off. The operating instruction manual. Upside down, pull that off. Okay. Oops, okay, that must be a charging cable. Set that down. Open this up first. Okay, this is a stand to hold it for display. And here is the Pip-Boy. That's very cool. Please update your Pip-Boy at the one.co/Pip-Boy. Okay, so it needs a update patch. Okay. Pull my sleeve up. Hoping this fits. Looks tight. There we go. Good boy. Working dials. So let's take it off and read the instructions. Okay, let me see the instructions here. Get your arm ready, you're gonna need it. There it goes. Oh, this is where the USB plugs in also. Okay. Says now, charging a Pip-Boy. Before first use, charge your Pip-Boy for 5 hours or until fully charged. Powering up the Pip-Boy on the power button number 4, which is the button I thought it was right here. power button. Let's see. Oh. Just like my watch. Easy to figure out. See this button up here? Come on, focus. Get my face out of there. It says stat. It says stat, inventory, data, map, and radio. So then we'll and then this can change the station. So if you can find a station, FM radio.
Hey yo, this is DJ Carl at KPSS, broadcasting from the base of the once beautiful Hollywood Hills.
There's a Fallout station. Map has different settings. Okay, and then the clock. I have to adjust that. Oh, turn the wrong one. Okay. External terminal, rad meter, or flashlight. Does the flashlight work? Oh, okay. You can use it as a flashlight. Connecting. Please reconnect USB. Oh, that's how you update it too. That's pretty cool. I really like it. It's got some scuff marks and stuff. That's so cool. And the thing is hefty. I wonder if what kind of board they got in it running it. They use a raspberry. I don't know. Alright, there you go. Let me know what you thought down in those comments. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.